Luigi's Casa Della tires.
Just want to make sure. Yep, me too. All good.
All right. Radiator Springs Racers, 1909. Dang, Walt Disney built this so good. And he built it so... Oh no, someone's ticket. Whoa, what is this? Glidewell? Oh, it sounds like some lube that I used the other day. They have Lightyear radials, Tortellini Glidewell, one of my favorites. Lightyear radials, Glamour grip. What? Lips that grip? Oh, fettuccine. And that's just food. Now they're just mixing food with pleasure. Historic Route 66. What is the mirror like that girl in the songs? Got some rims. Oh, I wonder whose job it is. Like, who has that good rim job over there? I'm trying to pan it for cinematic. I don't know what to do.
We picked this one. So we have the blue one, we have the orange.
Whoa, did you hear how fast that was?
See how fast it was.
Oh, someone's hat fell off right there. Someone's hat fell off.
Really?
Right there.
Yeah, because if they keep going, they can fry up.
Let's
see.
look at the lights that your dress makes.
Hi folks, can you tuck in your seatbelts for me please? Thank you.
Either we continue where we are, or they're going to reset.
Reset. Reset. Reset.
They could do either one.
Reset, but I'm burning up though. 92 degrees.
But usually they like to do a reset. So that
So it's
it
the
restarts
full,
whole thing,
yeah.
to give everyone the experience.
Are we
Just hold
gonna
on
be
to that,
placed?
Woody.
If they reset it, are we
Hold
gonna
on
be
to it.
placed at the exact same spot we started? Or we're like placed at the closest spot?
Yeah, whatever the next cycle is.
Oh, that's like a ride and a half. It's like we ride 1.5 times. There you go. continued. They just continued where we left off. Maybe because we only did it for like two seconds. Whoa! It's kind of dizzying. Oh, I'm dizzy. I'm disoriented from starting in the middle. We're gonna spin. Are you ready? Almost. Whoa. Oh, I'm dizzy.
My friends, time to go. Collect all of your belongings and watch you.
Good job.
Arrivederci.
All right.